Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a continuation of my sugar wax experience. If you guys did not see my previous upload of me sugar waxing myself at home, I sugar waxed my armpits and they look the fuck good. So now I was like, let me go ahead and try out doing my madam area. So that's what we're doing in today's video. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys the area. This is going to be more my reaction and tips and techniques. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Okay, so first things first, I have my sugar wax kit that I purchased from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. I have some alcohol and I have my baby powder to get rid of any perspiration we might have from our anxiety. Okay, so before we get started, I need to prep one more thing. So I saw in some videos that people were saying you can take an old t-shirt and basically use it to get rid of the extra wax. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I have this old t-shirt from college and I'm just gonna cut it into some rectangles. So I'll show you guys how I cut it. I don't know if you guys remember in my last video I was struggling to get the extra wax off after I was done getting the hair off an area. So these strips are basically supposed to take that off for us, so we'll see if and how that works. But I just wanted to put y'all on just in case they do work. So I'm doing like little rectangle strips. I could probably do them longer, so let me go ahead and do that first and then we'll get into the procedure. So first I'm going to take a paper towel, clean paper towel, dry paper towel, and put some alcohol on it to clean off the area. I'm gonna start doing my sides first because if the sides hurt too much and I ain't going to the lips on me. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna take some powder. And put it on. The powder basically helps with any wetness because you want to make sure it's as dry as possible. And you don't want to put too much powder. I think I squeezed out a little too much. Clean applicator. And I'm gonna dig in and get a good amount. So this is how much I'm starting off with. And I'm gonna start at the top. Oh yes, the dry t-shirt, the t-shirt trick took all that wax off, honey, okay? And make sure you keep your garbage can close by so you can put the t-shirt in it after. Okay, the top is done, that didn't hurt. And I'm gonna do the sides. Oh, baby girl. Girl, I do not know if we can go any further, okay? I don't know if we could go any further. The last time I got a wax was February 15th. Since then I did trim. Yeah. We might just have to do these sides. It's giving very much so sides only. Girl, we didn't even get anywhere yet. We did not get anywhere yet. Okay. So I went ahead and rinsed off the applicator since we were at a max. I'm gonna go ahead and try something a little different. So I'm gonna take the sugar wax and I'm just gonna place it on. I'm gonna take the t-shirt strip and put it on and then rip it off. Ooh, wow, that worked and it hurt. But you just are gonna use more wax doing this. So this is how much came off. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it like that. It hurts, but I'm not trying to work in small sections. I'm gonna be here forever. Okay, Okay, t-shirt. Good thing I didn't throw it away. So I'm gonna take a little bit more wax just to finish off this side. Yeah. Pray for me. 1, 2, 3. Yo, am I human or an animal? What is going on? Make sure y'all cut y'all strips beforehand, or else y'all gonna be struggling like me throughout the process, okay? Okay, t-shirt strip. Press it. I need to get laser hair removal because this is not it, honey. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. That is a finale on that side. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the top before I move to the other side. Let's see how the top is. That wasn't bad. It's just that I haven't had any action literally down there in a while. So, ooh. Why do I? Okay, let me just do the other side first. So, if I do decide to stop, at least my sides are done. 1, 2, 3. Bitch! Oh my god! Oh my god! Girl! Oh my god! Wow, that took it all off though. Oh my god! I am amazed. I'm also in pain. Okay, I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling like I can make it the full way through, y'all. Yeah, I could probably make a million memes from my face in this video because, girl. Okay, I had to clear some space on my memory card, but second strip on this side. Rubbing it down. I just need to pull it fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yo! I should have used like a light colored t-shirt so you guys can see the hair more, but with those 2 strips we're pretty much done. I am shocked, I'm surprised, I am appalled, I am a lot of things right now. Okay, so we're starting off with the mini area on the top because, girl, it's thick in the middle. Okay, it's thick. Y'all see how thick my hair is on my head? Just imagine. Scream. I just might. If I scream, I'm gonna mute it. I don't think y'all deserve to hear this. Okay, it's pressed on. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 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 Yo. Okay, a lot of it did not even come out. A lot didn't come out. I think I need to trim. Yeah, let me trim a little first because my hair is very long. Okay, I trimmed down and I put another strip on the middle. This is torture. Like, I don't know if I would do this again. I prefer, like, I don't like inflicting pain on myself. I'd rather someone else do it. So it's just bad. Okay, so I'm gonna rip this one off. 1, 2, 3. Girl. Do not know. I think I put too much wax in one area. Like, I need to do small areas. I'm playing myself. I'm just trying to get it over with, and I need to humble myself and slow down. That's what I need to do. Okay, so it doesn't hurt as much, but y'all, look how much I took off when I did a small area. Look how much I got off. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing small areas and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting tired, so I think this is the last strip I'm gonna do. It's pretty much cleaned up. I didn't get to the lips. I don't know if I could do the lips. I'm sweating, I'm hot, I'm in my bathroom. I should have been in my room with the AC, but I already started making a mess here, so I was like, hey, why not just finish making my mess here? So I have some wax. I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna pull my last strip, and then we're done. Because yeah, this pain is different. It's different. Okay, so the strip is on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. 1, 2, 3. Girl, nothing came off. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing came off. So I'm done. That's a wrap for today. It was good while it lasted. I feel like I could do the sides and the top by myself, but the lips, honey, I don't know if I can do that. I cannot. I don't I don't think I can do it. So I will continue to go to the European Wax Center until I build up my courage to get in between, because right now it's giving no. It's giving, girl, do it. Let somebody else do it. Don't do it yourself. So that's about it. I feel like I would definitely transition fully to sugar wax. So that's something that I'm gonna do. I have a package with the European Wax Center right now. So when they open back, I'm gonna see if I could get my money back. If not, I'm gonna finish my packages and then go ahead and go to sugar wax. Probably Sugar Wax NYC. I don't know. I'll do my research and I'll let you guys know which salon I decide to go with. But that's all I have for today's video. Just some tips if you do plan on doing this by yourself at home with the kids. Some tips, okay? So first off, make sure you trim first. If your hair is longer, it's probably not gonna work. Well, my hair was really long, so I definitely had to go in and trim. Make sure that you clean off the area first with some alcohol. I got this one from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. And then follow up with some powder after you do the alcohol. This helps with if you start sweating, or you know, if anything starts to happen, then the area is still dry. So powder, don't put too much, because if you put too much, then it just won't come off. Make sure that you have your old t-shirt and you cut it in strips before you go in with waxing, and you can use that to get it all off. And that's about it. So would I do this again? Probably so, just the sides and the top, not the lips. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't show anything, but my reaction, maybe y'all found a laugh from this, maybe you guys are motivated to do it on your own now, I don't know, but I just wanted to record it just so I can have it for my reference, and I was like, I'll just share it with you guys. So that's all I have for today's video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, drop a comment down below, and until my next video, which will be tomorrow, because I'm uploading a new video each and every day of June. So until my next video, which is tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.